Sure guys, senza lento ethiwa ukufaka ipetrol. Bese ngichecka amasondo last time ngawa-checka, sizochecka mhlawumbe ifutha. Ngiqeda ukuchecka ifutha. Yeah, maybe I'll just go to Pick n Pay and then try ukurun ama-errands amancane yabo. Especially ukuthenga ilokhuzana. Into yokugcoba, yazi ngisela into yokugcoba. Uba yijoko njalo-ke like awuyinaki into enjengalezo. As long as ucontrol on nje usuqedile mawuyijoko. Yabo. So yeah guys. Sambeni check ifutha sifaka amanzi. And then yeah, for petrol. Actually, imoto ayijwayele ukuba nenkinga ya petrol, inkinga yamanzi. But like you need to check imoto time to time. That's very important. I know that it's very important. Yabo. Mhlambe siya Pick n Pay. Let's go. Sure guys. This is my shop. Manje akudlala. Ngifuna into zami nje. Sesifunda kuyifunda ukuthi imbadada ishayisa kamnandi. Unganaki inyawo ukuthi ngiyeke. Yabo. Because sure guys. Izulu liyana ke la ishoba mfethu. Angazi why. Vele inish. Ngoba ngajuli mina. I hope akavalwa ePick n Pay. One thing about imali yami yomphanto ne. Incane ne. Ayizi like ayizi get short but my life iyakhona. Ha mnganami. So yeah. Pick n Pay. Ngifuna nje insipho. Insipho guys. Guys, yona into bengiyifuna phela mina ngijonga okunye ngithenga impali kuba manje sibamba lokho semasha. Yabo. Hayi vele uyijonga nawe usuphuma no plastic uzothenga into zokugcoba. Hayi. Khona ukufuna nababa. Sure guys, if you reach this time of my video, please like and share. Catch me on my YouTube channel, link is in the bio, so that we're gonna be dropping a longer road trip by this month, around 2021 near goal. So guys, please like and share guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.